Today I'll be unboxing this Essential Tarot Kit or Tarot. I'm not sure how you say it. I just was interested in telling the future. I wanted to get one of those big hats for it and open my little stand to tell the future, so that's what I got. So today I'll be unboxing it. Only costs $14.39 right now. And looks pretty snazzy. Had it for almost a year and just haven't had a chance to open it up. So take it out that way. It's pretty small, easy, little small book to explain how to use it. It's cool. It seems pretty straightforward. It's not too complicated, which is nice. And then here's my tarot cards. It's still wrapped. So I'm going to try doing some fortune telling on my kids. Let me go open this up. Took me a little effort. Finally got it opened up. Nice cards here. It's just a cardboard piece. So this is what the back looks like on the cards. You turn it over and here's what it looks like. Nice and big. Pretty cool. My adventure into tarot reading, or whatever you call it. Again, I don't know what I'm doing, so you can look at some other people's reviews. This doesn't look like a good card to get. So hopefully you guys have fun with this. I'll do a follow-up about using the thing, because like it comes with this nice book. Here's a look at the table of contents. For $14, it's not bad. I can put this back in, put this back in, put on the cover, and it's nice and safe and sound in this box too.